everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually go ahead and use Walmart gift card online. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply start our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead, access your Walmart app in your mobile phone. Once it opens, it's basically gonna look like in this home page of your Walmart. Afterwards, for you to use a gift card, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this option called account given over here. You can tap on it, and now you can actually go to wallet section, which will give you an access for you to see all of your cards, including your card is a gift card. You can say send or buy one for yourself and will add it to your account automatically. You can go ahead, tap on this and purchase yourself gift cards, or you can gift them someone. These are the available ones. Or if you want to use it, you already have a gift card, then you could got it. You can go to this account section option again, tap on this gift card option given beside credit card, tap on this card number where you will enter the credit card number. Even in the reference picture it shows below. Enter the pin that you get with it, and enter the nickname if you have one, or it's optional if you do not, no worries at all. And you can tap on the save card option. Now you will be able to check your card's balance, and you can use it while purchasing anything from Walmart, making that your payment method. And then you can say don't have a pin. In case you have forgotten your pin to remember your card number, you can add that and tap on this don't have a pin. You will get an access for Walmart to give you to find out your card pin itself. So these are the options, and this is the way you can use it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.